Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna work on the varnishing the painting, the oil painting. Okay, so this is the painting on which I'm gonna work. Focus on this. So first of all, I request you, if you want to know how to varnish on an oil painting, so I will tell you some important points regarding this in this video. So subscribe to this channel if you are first time watching my videos, and press the like button if you really like my video. Okay, so this is a painting that I finished before 5 or 6 months. Okay, so this time is sufficient to varnish, because oil paint dries very long. Okay, just after 5 to 6 months it may take from internal part of the paint. Okay, so I think this is the right time. Many people wait for an year, 1 year, so that is more than sufficient. So I don't think that is so important, because this is dried from the back side also. If I see from the back side, there is not like oily or any toned different than the canvas real color. Okay, so there's nothing like that. So this is completely dried, and now I need to clean it. If any dust particle there, so it will be removed by a cloth. We can also use a brush, but for this time I will use this brush for the varnishing. Cleaning process is very necessary. Okay, don't skip this. Okay, now we have this brush. This is a 100 a wash brush, and this is varnish, picture varnish. Okay, so I'm gonna use this picture varnish. Oh my god, its cap is broken. Okay, now I can directly pour over the painting, and will spray it with this brush. I'm spreading like painting with very soft touch. Do not use gentle pressure on the brush with the brush on the canvas. And this is a little volatile, so we have to keep it tight, closed, and spread it over all the canvas before it can be evaporate. Evaporation is not so fast, but I can feel its smell and the heat coming out from the varnish. And I like personally the liquid varnish, that is. Yeah. We have to check every space. There must not be remain where do not leave any space for varnishing. If you are varnishing over the painting. Oh. And there are two types of varnish actually. One is glossy finish, and second is matte finish. And liquids are mostly of gloss finish. Okay, this is the gloss finish. So finally, this is done. At every space, we should use the brush because if you found any space that is not covered with the varnish, so it will look like very bad. Come closer. पास में आओ. पास में देखो उसका. नहीं यहाँ ब्रश चल रहा है ना इधर दिखाओ. Okay, I think this is sufficient. I have done at every space on this painting. So, what are you thinking about? Please comment and like, press the like button, and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you. Bye.